Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 10, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. Last two questions are for you. If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. So please watch the video till end. First question. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri COVID Upachar Yojana? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced the Mukhyamantri COVID Upchar Yojana for free treatment to all those from economically weaker section in the state. Second question. Who has won the women's single tennis title of Mutua Madrid Open 2021? Answer. Ariana Sabalenka. Ariana Sabalenka defeated Ashley Barty in the final 6-0, 3-6, 6-4 to win women's singles tennis title at the 2021 Madrid Open. Third question. Who has won the 2021 Spanish Grand Prix title? Answer. Lewis Hamilton. Regaining champion Lewis Hamilton has won the Spanish Grand Prix while Red Bull's Max Verstappen slipped to the second spot while Mercedes' Charles Leclerc finished in the third position. Fourth question. What is the name of the app launched by CBSE for physio-social wellness of students and parents? Answer. CBSE Dost for Life app. The Central Board of Secondary Education has launched CBSE Dost for Life app for physiological well-being of students. The app is available on Google Play Store. The app is available for students from 9 to 12 classes in order to help them in maintain their physio-social wellness. Fifth question. What is the name of 7th airport of Assam which was inaugurated recently? Answer. Rupsi Airport. On 8th May 2021, Rupsi Airport started operation. With this, Rupsi Airport became the 7th airport of Assam. It has been made operational under Regional Connectivity Scheme Uday Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. Sixth question. Which state police have launched COVID-19 hospital transport service? Answer. Haryana. In an attempt to help COVID-19 patients find transport services easily, Haryana police have come forward and temporarily provided 440 COVID-19 hospital transport services vehicles for free transportation of needy infected patients from their home to hospitals, nursing homes, and vice versa. Seventh question. Which IPL team's owner has donated Rs 30 crore to COVID-19 fund? Answer. Sunrisers Hyderabad. Owners of IPL team Sunrisers Hyderabad, Sun TV, on Monday donated Rs 30 crore towards COVID-19 relief work being undertaken by the state and central government along with various NGOs. Eighth question. Which country becomes the South Asia's first country to approve the PFIZER COVID vaccine? Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka on Saturday approved PFIZER's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use in Sri Lanka as the island nation battles with the third wave of virus while suffering a restricted supply of vaccine from neighboring India. Ninth question. Who has launched an app to identify stolen cultural property around the world? Answer. Interpol. International Criminal Police Organization Interpol has launched a mobile application ID Art which will help to identify the stolen cultural property, reduce smuggling, and increase the possibility of recovering the stolen works and artifacts. 10th question. What is the new name of Mion Ka Bara railway station? Answer. Mahesh Nagar. The name of Mion Ka Bara railway station in Rajasthan's Jodhpur has been changed to Mahesh Nagar after getting an approval from various departments, a senior government official said. 11th question. Who became the first person to climb Mount Everest 25 times recently? Answer. Kami Rita. Kami Rita 51 first scaled Everest in 1994 and has been making up a trip nearly every year since then. Nepalese climber scaled Mount Everest for the 25th time on Friday, breaking his own record for the most ascents of the world's highest peak. 12th question. What is the name of the lightest type of uranium found by scientists recently? Answer. Uranium 214. The scientists have recently created lightest form of uranium. It is called uranium 214. The discovery reveals more information about an alpha particle. The alpha particle are those particles that gets ejected from radioactive elements as they decay. 13th question. Name the two former Olympics gold medal hockey players who passed away recently. Answer. M.K. Kaushik and Ravinder Pal. M.K. Kaushik was a prominent member of India's last Olympics gold winning team and also a successful coach for India. He died on Saturday due to COVID 19. His 1980s Olympic teammate Ravinder Pal Singh also died on Saturday due to coronavirus. It is a tragic news for the entire hockey world. 14th question. Who has won the Best Actor award at the New York City International Film Festival? Answer. Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher won the Best Actor award at the New York City International Film Festival for his short film Happy Birthday, directed by Prasad Kadam. It also stars Ahana Kumara. 15th question. World Health Organization has approved which Chinese vaccine for the first time? Answer. Sinopharm. The World Health Organization has approved for emergency use of COVID-19 vaccine from China's state-owned drug maker Sinopharm on Friday.